my channel. Hope you all are doing great and staying at home. And before moving on to today's video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. And please make sure to follow me on my Instagram as well. I'm highly active. So without wasting any time, let's move on to today's video. So this is my second Nykaa haul, and as you all should know by now that Nykaa has currently started accepting orders, and they're not accepting or delivering any other items in the red zone areas. They are only delivering the essentials, and in the green and other zones areas they have started their delivery and everything. So I just wanted to share with you guys few items that I had purchased, and I wanted to show it to you guys and share it to you guys and share the review as well, because there are few items which I have purchased new, and there are few which I have been using. So yeah, so let's begin with today's video. So the first product which I have been using for quite a while now, I guess I have used almost 2 to 3 bottles of this, and it's good, I have to say, other than the other variants which is available. So this is the Lux body wash, and yeah, it actually lasts, I guess it lasts up to 5 to 6 hours for me, and I love this one more rather than the pink one. I don't know why, but this one lasts a little bit longer than the other one, and this instantly gives the moisture which is required, and you don't need to apply as in such any extra moisturizer after using this. So I'll highly recommend people to, at least if you have tried the pink one, you can at least definitely give it a try for this purple one, the Magical Spell one. So the second product which I wanted to show it to you guys is, I've been using Ellatine ka Kajal, and this is my recent purchase of Lakme Kajal. This is actually, it has got a tip which is actually thick, and I am hoping that it would give me a long lasting result, as I have already got it from the Ellatine one which I have already shared with you guys. If you haven't watched that video yet, I will link it somewhere on the screen. Do check it out definitely. So this one I'll share the review soon after I have used it, because I haven't used it and it's pretty new, and I am not really sure about how much longer it will be lasting, whether it will be waterproof or not. So yeah. So the third, I guess this is the most essential item in my haul right now. So this is a hand sanitizer, and this is my second bottle which I have purchased, and this is actually really good. Apart from all the other hand sanitizers, it may have some infused artificial fragrances and everything, but this does not have any artificial fragrance or anything. You can actually, after you use it yourself, you can actually figure out the difference between the others and this one. So this is for MRP. I don't know how much I paid for this. So I'll mention on the screen as to how much I've paid for this. I'll mention on the screen for every product the amount which I've paid for, and this comes in 50 ml ka quantity only. So this, I guess it goes on till for a month or 1.5 months for me, because I generally don't go out, and whenever I am in my office or anything, there's always another sanitizers or anything. This I keep it handy in my bag whenever, if anyone in case needs it, or if I am. So yeah. So my next item would be Biotic Advanced Neem Face Wash. So this I have already shared in my previous video of some affordable face washes. This is one of my favorite, and this is, I guess, my second or third bottle like I'm using is, and it's actually good. I have shared my review, you can definitely go and check it out. So this is a brand new one. I have purchased the MRP says it's 135, but I'm pretty sure I've got like 20 to 25% discount on it. So yeah, it prevents pimples, of course, and that is why hence I have been using this, because since I have a pretty oily skin, and going out, in and out, coming back home from office and everything, it just spoils and everything. So yeah, definitely must purchase for everything. So the next items, I have purchased it for the first time, and I definitely would share the review after using it. I was skeptical about it because of the price point, whether it would be long lasting enough, whether it's good or not, whether the enamel is good, whether the color variants would be exactly of the same as shown in the picture. So this is Elatine nail paint, and this is in the shade 143. So it's a, I must say it's a poppy pink color, it's a bright pink color, and I'll definitely share the review of this. So the second nail paint which I have purchased, this is another one which has got a maroonish and sparkles in it, a bit of festive occasion wise, and this is in the shade number 02. So these are the two variants which I have purchased for the first, and I'll definitely check whether it's good or not, whether the color stays in for at least 3 weeks approx. So yeah. So the next item which is highly important after the hand sanitizer, I believe, is this toilet clean pee safe. I mean, it's very essential. It's like you should carry it because it is highly required. Like, I would encourage people to at least go to their website, and it's not much. The MRP is written 120. I'll link down the amount which I have paid for this. This really comes in handy whenever you're going, if you're traveling, if you are, emergency or anything. This should be in your bag and you're good to go, because it's a sanitizer spray toilet seat and is dermatologically tested. So this comes in the lavender smell. I'm not pretty sure whether it comes in other variant also, but I personally loved this one. I have been using this, and I would highly recommend people to use this and thank me later for this. So my last item which I wanted to show you guys is this L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay Shampoo. So as you have already, if you haven't seen, you can definitely go and check out my affordable shampoos video. So I haven't mentioned this one in that video because I didn't use it till that time. So this is a pretty new bottle, and I have taken, I guess this is 192.5 ml. I just wanted to check it out whether it's suiting my hair or not, whether it's good, whether it's helping out my hair or not. So I definitely purchased this one, and I just wanted to try, and I'll share the review of this one. But I have used it for once or twice, and it's given me good results, at least for the summers at least. So I'll definitely give the review at least approx 1.5 months or 2 months after. So yeah, you can definitely go ahead and check it out, and you can also purchase the conditioner along with this, but I generally don't use conditioners much. So yeah. So yeah, that was it for today's video. This was my second ever Nykaa haul. Hope you guys have enjoyed it thoroughly, and if you guys are interested, you can definitely go ahead. I'll try to mention the links in my description box since they have started accepting orders, and if not possible, I'll definitely mention the price of it and the descriptive name of it, so that it gets easier for you to find it out on their website. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys stay safe and keep all the things in your mind about the precautions and everything which you're supposed to take, and see you next time. Bye.